Half Dozen Customs. Today, hopefully, we are going to be maybe fixing the air leak on the air compressor. So I ordered two parts. I ordered this, which is the blow-off release valve. So what this does is it releases the air that's built up in the head of the compressor, so that every time the compressor kicks on, it's not having a hard start. And this is actually what's leaking air. But from the research that I've done, there is like a check valve that's in line on the line that goes from the tank up to the head, and if that is bad, it causes this to leak, because it's allowing air to seep by that check valve, so this will leak. I ordered both of them. The check valve, I must not have been paying attention when I ordered it, and I got the wrong one. So I gotta send that one back and order the right one. But I figure, since we have this, let's see if this fixes the air leak. And if it does, then I don't have to get the check valve. I'll just return it and we'll call it a day. So, so fingers crossed that this is right and it works. So this is what we got in here, and I guess I should unplug it while I have my fingers in here. Don't want to be messing with 220. So this is this little valve that leaks, this little release valve. And it's been leaking for a while, and I can usually mess with this bolt and tighten or loosen it and get it to stop. But it's not working anymore. Let's see if I can get you guys set up here. Looks to be right. Well, let's get some tools. Chances are that this all matches so that I don't have to try and remove that crush sleeve. Are we gonna get lucky? The crush sleeve is not what was leaking, so hopefully Well, if it could only be that easy, that would be awesome. Let's plug it in and hope we don't blow up. Now it seems to me like it's leaking from that seems to me like it's leaking from the leaking from where it screws on there. Definitely not leaking out of the valve now. No, that's definitely still leaking out of that valve. Got to be that check valve. So this is the check valve right here. So there's like a one-way valve in here that allows air to come in, and if this is leaking, it doesn't shut the check valve in here is not shutting off, so it's allowing air to continue to go into this line. All right, well, I did not fix our issue, so you know, I was pointing out that check valve. The check valve that I ordered, the threads on the bottom need to match the threads on the top, and the one that I got, I thought I ordered the right one, but the one that I have has smaller threads on the top. So I need to get it to where it's, I think it's like 3/4 inch diameter on the bottom and on the top. I ended up getting like 3/4 on the bottom and like a 1/2 inch on the top. So I'll send that one back. We'll get the new one here. That one is going to be a pain in the butt. I've already tried to take it apart, just so that I could see what the check valve looked like, so that I knew that I was ordering the right part. And when I was trying to take it apart, like the whole copper line was wanting to spin. Like, you know, it's crushed and locked in there, so when you're trying to loosen everything, like it's wanting to twist the whole copper line, and I can't destroy that copper line. So I stopped what I was doing and was like, okay, I'll just order the part and we'll see what we get. So I guess we'll be back. This will be a continued project. You know, I'm glad that that release valve is new, but it did not fix our problem. So check valve it is. See you guys later.
Oh,